pulled pork. Start by getting yourself a nice sharp knife, and we're going to score the top. Make sure you get through the fat cap and turn it and do it both ways. We're using SPG as our base rub. That should be a nice light coat, and then we're going to give it a heavy coat of legit blueberry for a primary. Top that off with Megaton from 1908. Just a light coat, and now we do the other side. SPG, followed up by a heavy coat of blueberry. And now here comes the light coat of Megaton again. We're going to throw it in the smoker, get that nice char on it, bring it up to about 160 degrees, and wrap. I actually finished this one off in the oven at 250 degrees, rested in my Cambro for 2 hours. Resting is very important, and you definitely do want to do this. It'll reabsorb some of those juices. Look at that bone pull. This pork butt was so easy to pull apart, it was like butter. You don't want to pull it apart too much, you still want some thick chunks in there, but look at that. Because it's such a big piece of meat, we are actually going to season again once it's pulled. Now we add a little bit of barbecue sauce. And this is how I do my